The story of the United States of America. The United States, often called America, is a country in North America. It is a very large country and has many states. The United States is known for its freedom, big cities, and famous landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and the White House. Early history. Native Americans. A long time ago, before people from Europe came to America, many groups of people lived on the land. These people are called Native Americans. They lived in different parts of the country, each with their own way of life, language, and traditions. European exploration and colonization. In the 1400s and 1500s, explorers from Europe began to come to America. The first people to settle in what is now the United States were from England, France, Spain, and Holland. They built small towns and farms, and over time, many people from Europe moved to America. The English settlers came to the east coast of America and built 13 colonies. These colonies were controlled by the King of England. The settlers were unhappy with how they were being treated by England, and they wanted more freedom. The American Revolution. In 1775, the people in the 13 colonies started a war against England. This war is called the American Revolution. The colonists wanted to be free from British rule. They fought for many years, and in 1783, the colonies won the war. The United States of America was born. After the Revolution, the United States created a government. The first president was George Washington. He helped make the country strong and free. Expansion of the United States. After becoming a country, the United States began to grow. More and more people moved west to new lands. In the 1800s, the United States bought land from other countries, like Louisiana from France and Florida from Spain. They also fought wars, like the Mexican-American War, and gained more land. During this time, many people from Europe moved to America in search of a better life. The United States became a place where people from different countries could live together. The Civil War. In the 1860s, there was a big problem in the United States. Some states wanted to keep slavery, while other states wanted to stop it. This caused a war called the American Civil War. The war lasted from 1861 to 1865. The northern states, the Union, won the war, and slavery was abolished, ended. The war caused a lot of pain and damage, but after it ended, the United States worked to rebuild and bring the country together. Industrialization and immigration. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, the United States became very industrialized. This means that factories were built, and many new jobs were created. People from other countries, especially from Europe, moved to the United States to work in the factories. Many immigrants came to cities like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. The United States became known as a melting pot, because many people from different countries lived there. World Wars. In the 1900s, the United States was involved in two big wars, World War I and World War II. In World War I, the United States fought alongside other countries to stop Germany and its allies. In World War II, the United States helped defeat Nazi Germany and Japan. After World War II, the United States became one of the most powerful countries in the world. The Civil Rights Movement. In the 1950s and 1960s, many African Americans and other people in the United States fought for equal rights. This time is called the Civil Rights Movement. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. worked to end racial segregation and make sure that all people, no matter their race, could be treated equally. Thanks to this movement, many important laws were passed to protect people's rights. Modern United States. Today, the United States is a very powerful country. It has many big cities, like New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago. People from all over the world live in the United States, and it is known for its culture, technology, and entertainment. The United States is a democracy, which means that people vote to choose their leaders. The country is also a leader in many areas, like science, business, and the military. Famous things about the United States. The Statue of Liberty, a large statue in New York City that represents freedom. The White House, the home of the President of the United States. Hollywood, the center of the American movie industry. National parks. The United States has many beautiful national parks, like Yellowstone and Grand Canyon. American food. The United States is known for hamburgers, hot dogs, and apple pie. Today's United States. The United States is a country with many opportunities. People come from all over the world to live and work in the United States. The country is constantly changing, and it continues to be an important part of the world. The United States has many challenges, but it is a place where many people hope to build a better future.